Hello, as an employer, you want to train your employee in cloud computing. You have the content already, but you want to put that content on, on an online um, learning platform such as Moodle, just as you can see. So Moodle is an open source learning platform, right? So you can put your content there to train your employee. However, you want this module to be running on Google Cloud platform. Basically, you want module to be running on GCP. That's GCE, Google Compute Engine on a virtual machine, right? So how can we do that? So we are going to do that in this video. So let's get started. So I'm just going to come to this is my Google Cloud platform. You choose the project that you want to do it. For me, I just want to use this project, so I'll leave that. So one thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the deployment manager, right? So I'll come here. So let me just come here and search for cloud deployment manager. So I'll click on that one, click on that, and I'll click on go to cloud deployment manager. Then I'll click on deploy marketplace solution. So I'll click on this, and here I will search for Moodle, right? Because that is the online learning platform I want to put my content on. So I'll search for Moodle, right? So click on Moodle, and then I'll scroll down to this one because I want Moodle to run on a virtual machine that will be on Google Cloud platform. So I'll click on this and I will launch. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will leave the deployment name the way it is. I will choose a zone. Basically, when you are deploying, you want to deploy close to the I can choose a zone close to my location or close to the location of the user. So in this case, I'm just going to choose a zone close to my location. So I'm just going to choose US West 1. And then for the machine type, right, I'm just going to choose the E2 medium. And then for the administrator, I'll put my email address. So which is this one. And now I'll leave all the other configurations just the way they are. Then I'll click down on deploy. Okay, so while this is deploying, I'm going to upload the video, right? The video that I want the users to see, and also the content, the PDF. So I'll come back to Google Cloud, then I'll click on cloud storage, then I'll create a bucket. So while this is deploying, I want to create a bucket. So let me come back, bucket. I'll click on create, and then I'll give the name of the bucket. I'll just call it this offer module 1, then continue. Location type, I'll choose just region. And then for the region, I'll choose West Oregon, and continue. I'll leave it the default, the class, right? I'll leave it as standard. Continue. For access control, I will choose fine grain. I'll choose fine grain because this is used to give access to individual objects, right? In the bucket. So continue. And so let me go back. Okay, so for this, I'm going to uncheck this enforce public access prevention because I want to be able to have access to the public access to the bucket. I want to get the public URL. So I will uncheck this. Uncheck this. Then I will continue, and then I will create. Okay. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to upload the the video and the PDF. So upload files, and I think so let me come to, yeah, let me come here. So this is it. This is the video and this is the file. So these are the video, this is the video and this is the file. So I'm just going to click on open down here. Okay, so upload started. So the document, the PDF document and the video have been uploaded. So I'll click on the video, and so currently you can see public URL not applicable, right? So I want to be able to get a public URL for integration to Moodle, to the online learning platform. So I'll click on edit access, and then down here, I'll click on add entry, and then I'll click on public, all users access reader. I'll save. So once I save now, you observe that for the public URL, it has a, the URL is available now. So I'll get back to the other, to the PDF, then I'll do the same. See that now the public URL is not applicable. So I'll click on edit access, add entry, public, and then save. So now the public URL is available for both. So what I'm going to do is that I'll come back to my deployment manager to see if, you know, what I was deploying. Okay, yeah, it has been deployed. She said just now, right? So 4 minutes ago. So I'll click on this. I'll click on this, and you see this, you know, overview module. It's automatically created a virtual machine, a virtual machine instance, right? So now, let's check the virtual machine. Let's just check the virtual machine. So let's come to compute engine. Then you see the VM instance, and that's it, right? That's the virtual machine that was created, module 1 VM, right? In the zone US West 1A. So now let's go back to deployment manager. So let's go back to deployment manager, and then I'm going to click on, I'll click on this. So once I click on that, so it's going to bring this site address. So I'll click on this address, and once I click on that address, it's loading. So you see module on Google Cloud Engine. So we have to do some, you know, some configure, like some adjustment. So I'm going to log in to the top right. I'm going to log in, and my username is going to be, the username is going to be this, the module admin user, and then the module admin password for the password. So I'll just copy the password, and then I know that the username is admin. So I'll come back here, username is admin, and then for the password, I'll just paste that login. Okay, so now I'm currently on, you know, on the online learning platform. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to create a course, right? I want to create the course on this platform. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to my course, then I'll click on create your first course. I'll click on create course, and then I'll just put all the details. So let me call it cloud computing, and then I'll just say CC 101. For those of you that are familiar with 101, 102 and all that. So then I will leave all these, for the description, I'll just put cloud computing. Okay, so I'm just gonna save and display. Okay, so let me skip this. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is I'll still here, I'll click on edit mode. To the top right, you see edit mode. I'll click on that. And once I click on that, you'll see this add an activity or resource. So I'll click on that. And now I'll click on page, right? Such that when they log in into the course, they will see a video, right? And also maybe like the PDF, right, for the course. So I'll click on page, and so let me just say introduction to cloud computing. So I'll just for the description, I'll just put the same thing. And for the content, so you see this icon here that says multimedia. So I'll click on that, and then I'll click on video, right? Because now I want to basically link the video that is stored in Google Cloud Storage. I want to link it to this. So I'll click on video, then I'll come back to my Google Cloud platform, precisely to cloud storage. So I'll come to cloud storage, to the bucket, right? Basically, I want to take the URL, the public URL of the video, because it's now available. So I'll click on this, and then I'll come back here and paste it, and then insert media. So this is the video, this is it. So what I'll do next is I'll just come down, I'll just type maybe download, or I'll just say AWS S3. Download AWS S3 lecture 1, right? So download AWS S3 lecture 1. So now what I will do is that I will highlight this, and then you will see this link icon. I'll click on that, and I'll come back to my cloud storage. Then I'll get the link. I'll click on the AWS course. I'll get the public URL, click on that, and put it here, paste, right? So update link. Okay. So now, once that is done, I'll just click on, I'll click on save and return to course. Let me just, save and return to course. So this is the course, cloud computing. Then we have introduction to cloud computing. And then we have this, once they click on that introduction, it will pull up this video, and, they can watch the video. So let's make some other, some other configurations. So I'll click on site administration, I just want to make some adjustments to like the right. I'll click on appearance. So under appearance, I will come to logos. So I want to put a logo. Click on logo, and then I'll click on this logo, upload a file, choose a file, and I'll choose this logo here, open, upload this file. Then I'll come to compact logo, upload a file, choose a file, same thing, choose this, open, upload this file. So for this favicon, can still choose the same, to the file, choose the file, this, and then open, upload the file. So yeah, so save changes. So it's saving the changes now. And I'm just going to, so what I'm going to do is that to just check everything. So to just check everything, I'll come back to my course. Now, if you look now, you see, this is my courses. So you see cloud computing. And if you want to add more courses, you can add it, right? You can add it. So, and if you look at the logo, so let me just click on add, copy, delete, and hide. Yeah. So let me just you look at the logo here, right? You see the logo is there, got it. So now you see, look at the URL, look at basically the URL, right? So you observe that this online learning platform is actually running on, on the virtual machine that is on Google Cloud, environment. So let's come back. You observed this this virtual machine, it ends with the public URL, it ends with 53. So I'll come here and then I'll click on compute engine, right? Compute engine to check the public URL of the virtual machine. Look at that. So this is the virtual machine. Look at the external IP. If you observe, is 348222.53, which is the same thing as this. So that means this online learning platform is now running on 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 a virtual machine that is in the cloud, in Google Cloud platform. So you can add more courses. So that's basically how you can, you can do it. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.